Hello, dear students. Welcome to our new session. Today we are studying NCRT 5th Standard EVS Chapter 7 Experiments with Water. Students, in this chapter, there are a lot of interesting experiments. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Let's start the class. What floats, what sinks. Aisha was waiting for dinner. Today, Ami was making her favorite food, puri and spicy potatoes. Aisha watched as her mother rolled out the puri and put it in the hot oil. She saw that at first the puri sank to the bottom of the pan. As it puffed up, the puri came up and started floating on the oil. One puri did not puff up and did not float like the others. Why do puris float on the oil while frying? Puris float on oil as the hot oil makes the puri to rise up and get filled up with air. The air, being lighter than the oil, makes the puri to float on the oil. On seeing this, Aisha took some dough and rolled it into a ball. She flattened it and put it in a bowl of water. Als. It sank to the bottom and stayed there. Think what would happen if Aisha put a puffed puri in a bowl of water. Would it sink or float? It will float. You put a steel plate on water. Would it sink or float? Steel plate will float. What would happen to a spoon? Spoon will sink. Would the cap of a plastic bottle sink or float on water? Cap of plastic bottle will float. In the evening, Aisha went for a bath. She had just come out when her mother called. Aisha, you had dropped the soap in the water again? Take it out and put it in the soap case. Aisha was in a hurry and the soap case fell out of her hands. It started floating on water. Aisha gently put the soap in the soap case. She saw that the case continued to float, even with the soap in it. Have you seen that something float on water while others sink? Think how this happened. This happens because of buoyancy force. Buoyancy is the upward force exerted by a liquid to oppose the weight of an immersed object. The poem here raises such questions. Why, oh why, a wooden boat in water will float, but a needle will sink? Why does this happen? Let me think. An iron ship will also float, though it's much heavier than my boat. But a needle, light as a leaf, thin as a pin, will sink right in. Why does this happen? Let me think. If we are immersing an object in the water, there is an upward force exerted by water. This force is called buoyancy. Buoyancy is equal to the weight of the water displaced by the object. Here is the displaced water. When the weight of an object is less than the weight of the displaced water, the object will float. When the weight of an object is more than the weight of displaced water, the object will sink. Floating and sinking of an object depends on weight of the object and shape of the object. Needle and ship are made of same material, that is iron. Needle sinks and ship floats. This is because ship is large in size and the weight of the displaced water is more than the weight of the ship. So, ship floats on water while needle is small and the weight of the displaced water is less than the weight of the needle. So, needle sinks in water. Do this and find out. Do this experiment in groups of 4 friends. Each group will need a big pot filled with water and the things listed in the table. Put each thing one by one in water and observe. Tick mark for the things that float and a cross mark for those that sink. Things to be put in water. Here there are some items to be put in water, and here there are 2 columns. One column for I guessed before I did it. Next column for I saw when I did it. Empty bowl. I guessed before I did it, it will float. I saw when I did it, it floated. After putting in 6 to 7 small pebbles one by one, it floated. Iron nail or pin, it sank. Matchstick, it floated. Empty plastic bottle with its lid closed, it floated. Bottle half filled with water, it floated. Bottle full of water, I guessed it will float, but it sank. Aluminium foil from medicine packing, open and spread out, it floated. Pressed tightly into a ball, I guessed it will float, but I saw it sank. In a cup like shape, it floated. Soap cake, it sank. Soap cake on a small plastic plate, I guessed it will sink, but I saw it floated. A piece of ice, it floated. Find out from the other groups which things floated and which sank in the water. After doing the experiment, fill in the blanks. The iron nail sank in water, but the katori floated. I think this happened because the nail displaced less water and katori displaced more water. The empty plastic bottle floated on water. The bottle filled with water sank because weight of bottle filled with water was more than the displaced water by it. The aluminium foil floated when it was spread out. When pressed tightly into a ball, it sank. This may have happened because spread out foil displaced more water compared to its weight. Is it magic? When Aisha woke up in the morning, Ammi had fever. Abu made some tea and went to give medicines to Ammi. He told Aisha, "You boil eggs. Also put some salt in the water." Aisha took water in a pot. By mistake, she put too much salt in the water. She saw the eggs at the bottom of the pot come up a little and start to float in water. Students, do you know the reason? After adding salt, the water became thicker and thus the eggs started floating. Take some water in a glass, put a lemon in it. Now keep putting salt in the water, half a spoon at a time. Were you able to float your lemon in water? What do you think? The lemon floated in salty water? Because After adding salt, the water became thicker and thus the lemon started floating. Students, have you heard about the Dead Sea? All oceans and seas have salty water. The saltiest of all is the Dead Sea. How salty? Imagine 300 grams of salt in 1 liter of water. Would you be able to even taste such a salty water? It would be very bitter. Interestingly, even if a person does not know how to swim, she would not drown in this sea. She will float in water as if lying down on it. The amount of salt in Dead Sea is very high, which makes the Dead Sea very thick, making everything to float on it. Students, do you know where is Dead Sea? Dead Sea is in between Jordan and Israel. Students, here is the end of the part 1, chapter 7, experiments with water. Hope all of you understood well. Please subscribe this channel and share this video. Thank you and have a nice day.